is once again on edge. The fatal shooting of US citizen Rennie Good during an ICE raid has sparked protests across the country.
Who keeps us safe? We keep us safe. Unity looks like. This is what unity looks like.
With demonstrators demanding accountability, restraint, and answers. But as outrage grows over the use of force, a different controversy is now consuming Washington. One about language, symbolism, and power. At the center of it is US Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem, not just for immigration enforcement, but for what appeared on her own podium. One of ours, all of yours. A phrase displayed during a Homeland Security briefing and now making national headlines. What might have passed as a slogan has instead ignited a firestorm. With critics warning, it echoes the logic of Nazi-era collective punishment. The idea that harm to one justifies retaliation against many. Historians and fact-checkers argue that there is no documented evidence that this exact phrase was an official Nazi slogan. But critics argue that the concern is about what it signals. The symbolism becomes harder to dismiss when placed in context. Adolf Hitler's regime infamously promoted its rule with the slogan, "One people, one realm, one leader." And just 3 days after Rennie Good's killing, the US Department of Labor shared a post, "One homeland, one people, one heritage," drawing fresh controversy. Instead of de-escalation, instead of accountability, the administration chose language that mirrors some of history's most dangerous political messaging. Homeland Security has brushed off the backlash, calling the Nazi comparisons exaggerated and politically motivated. Secretary Noem has offered no apology. The political fallout is escalating. More than 70 House Democrats have introduced impeachment motions against Kristi Noem, accusing her of abuse of power and promoting inflammatory rhetoric.
Is using every single tool
this controversy cuts deeper than a slogan on a podium. When the state speaks in terms of collective blame than individual rights, history tells us what happens next. And right now, the signals coming from Washington is one many Americans find deeply unsettling.